Hi, this is Lynn with ASSY Tinker, and today we were working on my Generac generator. We had a big storm that went through a few days ago, and I went to go start it to power up the essentials in our house, and on about the fourth pull, it just went slack on me. And so I decided I was going to try and take a look to see if it's something I could fix, which is the whole point of my YouTube channel. ASSY Tinker. Can I tinker it and get it fixed? So what I did is I took off the 4 bolts with a starter assembly here, and this part came out of the housing from it, and then the spring went flying. So I have lots of parts and pieces that were no longer connected as they should. So I ordered a new one, and it came in. Here it is with the logo right side up, but it actually needs to get installed this way so that the pull cord on the recoil is on the upper right. So I think we need to get started. Upside down logo or not, we'll put it on. Okay, the first one I'm going to put on is going to just be a loose fit, just so that I can support it. And I have an 8mm impact. And again, it's still a little loose. Until all of these are in. And I can go back and snug it up. Okay. Now let's give it a start. Turn the switch on in the back. We have it in the choke position. We have the gas on. I wanted to take a quick second to thank you for watching. You have helped ASSY Tinker grow to over 1,000 subscribers and hours and hours and hours of watched video. I so appreciate the time you've taken to watch and hit the subscribe button. Thank you once again. Let's see if that motor starts. Lynn with ASSY Tinker. Thanks for watching.